If you're trying to create presentations using AI, you've probably come across Napkin AI and Gamma AI, but which one is actually better and which one should you use? Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be giving you a complete beginner-friendly breakdown of Napkin AI versus Gamma AI, so you can choose the right tool for your specific use case. By the end, you'll know exactly which tool is best for courses, client presentations, marketing decks, and visual storytelling. I've also included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to test out this platform for completely free. Now let's dive in. Let's start with Napkin AI. Napkin AI is designed primarily for turning ideas into visual diagrams and structured explanations. You give it a text and it converts that into flowcharts, concept maps, structured visual breakdowns, and clean frameworks. Think of Napkin AI as a visual thinking tool. It's great for explaining systems, breaking down business models, visualizing workflows, and teaching concepts. It's not focused on full slide decks, it's focused on structured visuals. On the other hand, what is Gamma AI? Now, Gamma is built for creating complete presentations and slide decks using AI. You type in a topic and Gamma generates a full slide deck, design, layout, headlines, and bulletin points. Also images and formatting. Export options include PDF, PowerPoint, and shareable link. Gamma is more like an AI-powered PowerPoint replacement. It's designed for courses, client presentations, pitch decks, lead magnets, sales presentations, so right away they serve slightly different purposes. Now let me give you two real-life examples. Now let's say for example I were to tap on by describing my idea. And let's say I were to select this option, then we'll tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you'll give it a few seconds and you can see right here it is generating it. Once it has generated it, all you need to do now is just wait a few seconds, then you're going to see the option to add visuals and you can tap on generate visuals, and just like that you'll now have a presentation. So for example, you'll tap right here. After you have selected that, it will automatically read what the AI has generated. Then it will give you different suggestions as you can see on the left hand column. So for example, if you would like to use this presentation, you can do that. Then you can see different breakdowns that you can also use, as you can see right there, and you could go on further and you could edit it. And you can do this for each paragraph. So by tapping right here, you'll be able to generate something else for this particular paragraph. So right away, Napkin instantly generates visual diagrams and concept visuals. It turns your ideas into flowcharts, concept maps, and simple visual explanations. This is perfect for brainstorming, visual thinking, and explaining concepts quickly. Now let's look at Gamma AI. If we were to go onto Gamma AI, you have four options. You can either choose to generate using a one-line prompt, paste in text, or create from a template, or import file or URL. You are given numerous options. Now let's say for example we were to tap on generate. After you have selected generate, from here you could type in your prompt. Let's say the prompt that I want, I can simply select this prompt, then you can select the amount of cards that you want to use. So I could select 6. Then you can see you have 4 different options. You have presentation, web page, for example a landing page, document, and also social. You're just going to tap on generate outline. After you have selected generate outline, it will present the outline right here. Then you can tap on generate at the bottom of the page. After you have selected generate, you're going to give it a few seconds and you can see a presentation. Not only does it give you text and a good breakdown, but it also offers you good images and you can edit it quite quickly. I'll be leaving a link to a tutorial that I created on how to use Gamma AI. So right away you can see that Gamma AI is best for presentations, reports, and sharing structured content. So think of Napkin AI as a tool that turns ideas into visual instantly, while Gamma turns ideas into full presentation. Now let's talk about ease of use when it comes onto both platforms, starting with Napkin AI. Napkin AI is easy to use. In fact, I would say both are beginner friendly. Napkin feels more like a mind map, while Gamma AI on the other hand feels more like traditional slides. If you are used to PowerPoint or Google Slides, Gamma feels more natural. Which one is best for courses? If you are creating an online course, I would recommend that you choose Gamma. It creates structured lessons with multiple slides instantly, while Napkin, on the other hand, works better for explaining one idea visually, not building an entire model. And which is best for visual explanations? This is where Napkin wins. If you want to visually break down, for example, funnels, frameworks, processes, or systems, Napkin creates cleaner conceptual diagrams. Now let's compare them when it comes on to customization and exporting. This is where Gamma wins, as Gamma offers the option for PDF export, PowerPoint export, and live website publishing and also sharing via link. For example, if I were to tap on share right here, you can see numerous options. You can share the link, you could export it, you can embed it, you're given numerous options. While Napkin on the other hand focuses more on exporting visuals rather than full deck. If you need professional client-ready slides, Gamma is stronger. Now let's look at their pricing. With Napkin AI, you can get started for free and their monthly plan begins at $12 and their most expensive plan is $30. With Gamma AI, you can also get started for completely free and their monthly plan begins at $12 and it can go up to $100. Now, in conclusion, which would I recommend you choose? Here's the simple answer. If your goal is visual clarity, I would recommend you choose Napkin AI. While on the contrary, if your goal is complete presentations and structured content, I recommend you choose Gamma. They are not direct competitors, they solve slightly different problems. Some creators actually use both, Napkin for diagrams and Gamma for full decks.